Hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're having a good day today. Today, we will convert the existing bridge of our guitar to a Floyd Rose style tremolo system. Let's do this! Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you could remember, we unboxed a cheap tremolo system last week. If you want to watch it, the link is below. This is an knocked-off version of a Floyd Rose tremolo system. It is called the Overlord of Music. I will review it when our guitar is done. But, merely looking at it, the quality and build is worth its price. The Fernandez bridge is an FRT system. It is a PT since it's a rare one and it's a good bridge, but it's missing parts. At first I decided to restore it, but parts are scarce. I even contacted Fernandez Japan for the part, but it's up to no good. I have to convert it into something else. The first problem was this metal bracket. The second was the cavity for the new bridge. I have to make one. Luckily, the metal bracket was just a bolt-on, so I unscrewed it and it left a routed cavity, just enough for the half of the new trem, but it's not enough. I have to make it large. In this project, I used a cutter and a chisel since I don't have a router. The cutter is very sharp, so be careful. Keep in mind that using a cutter is a very dangerous tool, so be careful and be responsible when using one. This is what I did. I used the old bridge FRT bridge posts and it's a perfect fit, 74mm. The only thing left that I will fix is this gap and this. I will fix it when I strip all the paint so the glue can adhere better. So, here it is. Join me again next time as I strip the paint and prepare the guitar's body for paint. If you like my videos, kindly click the like button and click subscribe to help me out. Thank you for watching and God bless.